Clearborough, North Dallas, 2024 Raptor R, full wrap, xpels, Ultimate Plus paint protection film, and a full window film with XR Plus and a ceramic coating over that for some extra protection. And stealth film goes on the fender flares. Let's take a walk around real quick here so we can show you what we do here at Clearborough, North Dallas. There was a wrap on this prior, unfortunately, where none of the edges were wrapped. I'll show you some comparisons on this one I'm finishing up, where all the edges get wrapped just like this one. But we took off the full front that was on it and a couple other pieces. Now it's fully wrapped with all the edges being wrapped in. So the PPF is underneath the hood, underneath the fender. It used to be a line on top. And on a light color, you'll see that dirt real quick. This thing only has 3,000 miles on it, and it was showing dirt lines really quick. So like this cap right here, this comes off. It's just clips. Take it right off. The film's underneath. You have no dirt line. If I take you over here to this one, same thing. I just put the cap back on, unfortunately. But same thing. It's just dirty. We got to wipe it down from all the soap. But these pop right off. You'll see here how we take the door handles out. This one's getting ready to go back in. So all the film is underneath, and you don't see it. And that's what we do on all these type of vehicles. There is literally no way you'll see any of that. So when we get to our fenders and our doors, they all wrap in. Everything looks great. Our roof, our B pillars get wrapped in. Back here, all fully wrapped in, all underneath this rail. We just kind of gently lift it up a little bit with a plastic edge, and the film goes underneath. Taillights come out. Everything goes in beautifully. Everything's same back here. This does not come off. It does, but we don't take it off because you're not putting that back on. Taillight came out over here. No edges. Everything's underneath. This piece here gets stealth film, matte film, so the whole thing's covered all the way through. These will get damaged pretty easy. And much more of the same work over here. And our mirrors are fully wrapped in here, all in one piece. They had a face piece prior, so everything's done really nice. Windshield area, all this gets wrapped in all the way around. So there it is, Clearborough, North Dallas, 2024 Raptor R, and that is a standard Raptor, both full wraps. And then we'll go over here to the Huracan, the Benz, and then the Corvette. And that's it. 10-year guarantee on the film in writing from xpel. Our installation is the lifetime that you own the truck. The window film, transferable lifetime guarantee. On the XR Plus film, we give you a free replacement per piece of glass in the event you damage it outside the guarantee. It can always happen. Most don't think about that. Other than that, any questions, clearboroughnorthdallas.com, clearboroughnorthdallas@gmail.com, or clearboroughnorthdallas@gmail. And then 214-414-3809 is a good number to get me. I'm Brent, and I'll cover that truck here shortly. And that's it. Thanks, and have a great day.